Hello everyone, for today's video we have this fidget toy set. It's interesting because a lot of fidgets are inside. Of course it is made in China like everything else, and we will see what kids will like the most from this set. So this box, I think it was like $20, around $20, but I got it on some discount for 11 sale on noon in UAE, so I can leave some links below if you want to check it out. But let's see now what is inside. You can see it comes in this nice box, and let's see now what is inside. And let's count them first. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, and there is more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, wow, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are three the same, I think, just different color. 21, and I think one more, 22. Wow. So let's bring Emina. Emina, come. See which one do you like the most. Pick. Try them, open them and try them. Puppet you already have, I think.
Yeah.
So you like the most puppet? Try some others, Emina. Open some others. I don't even know how is this used. Show us, Emina. Okay, what else we have? What is this one? How is this one? Just like that?
Yeah.
Interesting. So currently I'm not sure how much you can see, but currently we are somewhere here in UAE, and we are coming from Europe, from Montenegro, somewhere here. And a lot of my viewers are from India, from USA, and other countries as well. So greetings for all of you, wherever you are on this globe. Okay, what else we have, Amina? Banana?
Yeah.
How is this used? Too many of these fidgets. This is really interesting thing for your kid to buy them, but of course you should not give them all of these, like just give one. Otherwise, if you give all of them in once, it's not good. They will forget all of them. This, I think I know, this is like some snake. So it's some kind of snake. Show us how it's done. Wow. And this thing like this pop, how is this called, I mean?
Squishy.
Squishy, wow. And this one, is this for my car? What is this? Let's open this one. I think I will take this one from all this box. This is one for me. Oh, This is some tricky one. How is this used? It's very interesting. Look how you can play. What else we have? This one. So many of them. How many we counted? Like 20? Something like that?
13, I think.
13? No, I think it was more. Wow, look at this one. This is like some infinite. Once you destroy it, you cannot never return it on the same place. Let's see. This one I like. This one is like infinite times you can do like whatever you like. Basically, you can see how it goes as many times as you like. This, what is this? Just like practice like this? Ah, it's fun. So our baby wants also to try. She could not resist. Look, baby, look. Play with this one. She could not resist. Just look from the outside. She wants to play also. Give something to Alina. What she can play with. Just don't let her throw the ball out. And what is this one? Oh, this one I think she will like. This is perfect for small kids. Like, you know, always she likes to do this or this, like TV and these kind of things, you know. So I think she will like this one. Check this, Alina. Press this one. Press here. Here. She always used to turn off my electricity. When I work on PC, she will just do this. Click, and no more power. Down, down. Show. Wow. So this is really nice package for kids to play with. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite one. And yeah, shop and these deals like 11.11. They have some really nice deals on all this Noon, Amazon, AliExpress, you name it. They have these deals on 11.11. So take care, guys. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you. Say bye, bye, Alina.
Bye.
Say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye.